If you've been living with blocked ears, muffled hearing, or that annoying crackling sound every time you swallow, you're not alone. Earwax buildup is one of the most common ear problems, yet many people wait far too long to get it treated. Today, let's talk about why you shouldn't ignore these symptoms and why Hearing First East Finchley is one of the safest places to get your ears cleaned. Located inside Cootes Pharmacy at 166 to 168 High Road, N2, 9AS, Hearing First East Finchley is a fully audiologist-led clinic specializing in microsuction, the gold standard method recommended by ear, nose, and throat specialists. Microsuction is safe, quick, and incredibly precise. Unlike syringing or irrigation, there's no water pressure, no pushing of wax deeper inside, and no unnecessary risk. Your audiologist uses a gentle suction device alongside high-definition magnification, allowing them to remove wax while seeing every detail inside your ear canal. It's the safest method available, especially if you have narrow canals, a history of infections, or have been told by your GP that syringing isn't suitable. At your appointment, you'll receive a full visual examination, an explanation of your symptoms, and step-by-step guidance throughout the procedure. Most patients say they feel relief almost instantly, especially if they've been dealing with sudden hearing loss, tinnitus, or that uncomfortable pressure that makes conversations harder to follow. Hearing First East Finchley also stands out for its accessibility and convenience. Whether you're coming from East Finchley, Muswell Hill, Finchley Central, Golders Green, or Hampstead Garden suburb, it's easy to reach by tube, bus, or car. So if your ears have been telling you something isn't right, don't wait. Click the link in the description and book your appointment today with the audiology specialists at Hearing First East Finchley. Your comfort, clarity, and confidence in your hearing are just one visit away.